Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by mounting the spotlight bracket securely. First, verify the car's 12V system and fit a fuse circuit to protect wiring. This prevents damage if something shorts. Once done, choose a rigid location, roof rack, A-pillar, or bumper, where the bracket aligns with holes or can be drilled. Drill pilot holes, bolt the bracket with lock washers and torque to spec, and seal any exterior holes with silicone to stop water intrusion. Make sure the bracket sits true before moving on. You'll now wire the light using a relay to handle current draw. Run a fuse 12V feed from the battery using 1412 AWG wire. The fuse should be near the battery to protect the run. Mount the relay close to the light if possible, and route the trigger wire to an interior switch, grounding the relay and light to a clean chassis point within a few inches of the battery ground. Once wired, protect the harness with conduit and secure it with ties. Label each conductor so future troubleshooting is easy. You finish by aiming and testing. Park on level ground about 25-30 m from a wall and set the cutoff so you avoid blinding other drivers. Turn the system on and verify switch and relay operation, measure voltage at the light under load, and watch for excessive heat or vibration. Tighten any fasteners and reseal gaps. If the light flickers, first check the ground connection, then the fuse and relay. Swap components to isolate the fault and avoid guessing. This saves time and prevents damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.